Winds are blowing out there, cold air filtering in, 38 degrees. West-northwest winds sustained at 18, but gusting to 37. Look at Spencer gusting to 52. It is going to be a windy evening out there, and right through around the midnight hour to even 1 a.m. Wind advisory across a good portion of the state does include the metro. So keep in mind some strong west-northwest winds blowing across the state. You can see temperatures dropping. We'll dip down below freezing tomorrow morning. Could be a little bit of refreeze out there, so please keep that in mind. Raccoon River at Fleur, well, it's going to bump up above 19.3, probably at about 19.5, and that would be one of the top 10 crests. This is getting pretty high out there, so keep that in mind. Moderate flooding, the road already closed. You can see flood warnings across central Iowa. Actually, if you look across the state, not as much green out there as yesterday. Some of the smaller rivers and streams have gone below a flood stage. So things improving, but the major river basins, it is going to take a while out there. Rain wrapping around that low, even a little bit of light snow out west. None of this too significant. The heavier rain right now in Wisconsin and back in through Minnesota, and a little band of precipitation down in through Kansas. If you're traveling tomorrow, better weather out to the west and southwest, and still that precipitation if you head off to the east from Chicago to Detroit. So here we go hour by hour. That precipitation moving out will be drying out as we head into Friday. I do want to point out it's still going to be quite breezy on Friday. Saturday, a little impulse of energy slides by to the north. Now, most of us should stay dry. We'll get clouds here in the metro, but I can't rule out a light mix Saturday afternoon along Highway 20. Rain tracker, any precipitation that would fall tonight would be in the hundredths of an inch, and folks have been talking about the snow. It would just be a few wet snowflakes out there, maybe a wee bit of accumulation as you head north of Highway 20. Forecast tonight down to 28 out there, a chance for just a few showers, gusty winds, that wind advisory until 1 a.m. Tomorrow, breezy day, clouds slowly decrease, 43 degrees. Look at those winds, still probably pushing near 30. Big 12 tournament, they had the cold air filter in today, an improvement as you slide towards the weekend. I figure some folks will make a long weekend of it, so I thought I'd give it all the way to Sunday. This is hopeful for the Hawkeyes. Showers, wind Friday, mostly sunny Saturday, partly cloudy on Sunday, 44. Look at the 8-day forecast. I could hang on this all day long. 40s into the weekend. Next week, dry 50s, and I think eventually we'll bump up into the 60s.